Hello everybody. Today we're going to assemble a desk chair. But this desk chair comes with these little plastic wheels on the bottom, like all desk chairs do. And you normally want to use some type of mat or something for your carpet, your hardwood, whatever it is you can be putting your chair on. Trying to find a mat, everything else, I came across something that everybody seems to say is much better than a mat. These office chair wheels. They pretty much fit all standard office chairs except IKEA chairs. Opening these up, they are these rubber wheels. They look almost like inline skate wheels, whatever, but they're rubber. You can use these on carpet, tile, hardwood without damaging, and they go into the bottom of the chair just like all standard wheels. We're going to get this assembled, and I'm going to show you the point when we go to put these wheels on, how they come out. So here's all the parts of the chair we have out. Got them all prepped ready, all our wheels, parts together. I'm not going to show you putting it all together because I'm pretty sure you can put a chair together, and that's not what this is about. It's about the wheels. And here's the comparison too. Looking at them, the stubs are exactly the same size. They meet up in the same diameter. They look to be exactly the same. So instead of using these wheels right here, we're just going to get rid of them. We're just throw them over there and they're gone. So these are the wheels we're going to use. And I'll show you what it's like once we get this together. Well, contrary to popular belief, men do read instructions, and the very first step of assembling this chair is put in the wheels. So I'm going to show you step one. Here's the wheels, and we're going to get them in there. It'd be kind of hard to do this with one hand, but there we go. We got one in, two in, give it a little wiggle. It slides in. It'd be probably easier if I did this without holding the phone, the camera. But there you go. All five are in. As of right now, it smoothly rolls on the carpet. We're going to get the whole chair together and try it out. Alright, so here's the chair with the wheels on. And it rolls. I know what you're going to say. Alright, nobody's on it. So, give me a second. I'm on the chair. I'm moving around. I'm on carpet. And it rolls fine. Gonna do a little push test here across the carpet. I probably went about 2.5 feet on one push. 240 pounds. Yes, I know. I don't want to say my weight, but at least you know what it's got. And we're gonna go test it on some hard tile. See how it works there. Alright, now we are on some tile. And it really rolls on the tile. You don't feel it on any of the little bumps. The rubber wheels right there are going to protect to make sure you don't crack the tile. The large diameter doesn't even feel like you're rolling over the seams. I'm going to do a little push test here. Oh, I had to stop myself because hit the desk across the room. Went about 6 feet on that with just a little push. I'm pretty sure if you had a long hallway, you could definitely do some chair desk racing with these. So I highly recommend get yourself some of these if you got an office chair that you want to protect your floor. If you're having a hard time getting around on carpet, I mean, it moves. There's no doubt that these are not so far the best wheels ever. I will do an update in a little while, let you know how they all work. Now I know you're probably wondering who I got these from. The wheels came with a little thank you for your business, your lifelong family. It says, dear buyer, thank you for your purchase. We're a small family business, so your review would mean the world to us. Sincerely yours, Amy. Well, Amy, I'm going to give this a little bit of a chance and check it out. But these wheels I ordered online, and they are lifelong wheels. Set of 5 office chair upgrade. It tells you scratch-free, silent, smooth rolling, click in and out, universal size. The one thing I did read, it does say it does not fit IKEA chairs. 600-pound capacity, something steel design. They got the sticker over when they shipped it. But I will put the link in the description where I got these from. There's lifelongwheels.com. They come in black and clear wheels. Like I said, I'm going to give it a month or so and we'll do an update video on this. And this is for my wife here who does the stuff in this room. She wanted a new office chair, and that's instead of getting something for the floor to put on to protect the tiles and make sure it doesn't get caught in the grout lines, this is what we went with.